Do you ever feel like your kids' school supplies and papers and workbooks are just getting out of hand? I was starting to feel like that, and used a couple of 31 products to bring back organization into our space. And I'm excited to share with you some of the things that might help you too get your school things organized. If you're working from home, a lot of these would work for that too. Take a look. All right, so we do our school on what we call our big table, which is usually where we eat our meals together. So it's a multi-purpose table, and I needed a way to put things away when we were done with school. So here I have the fold and file. I really like how I can store this on my shelves when I don't need it. It's got mesh pockets in the front for some of your smaller things, handles for easy carry, and this is just where I keep things that I don't use all the time or my workbook. So I make copies of the workbooks that I have in here. These sides are also where you can hang files. So it is something that'll fit your hanging files. This is the double duty Caddy. It has two sections with a handle in the middle. So the front has my daughter Camila and the back has Eliana's things, and there's mesh pockets on both sides. So this is where we keep the things that they need each day. So their workbooks, and then a clipboard with paperwork that they might need for the day or for the week. And they just know that they grab what they need, take it, and when they're done, they put it back, and we put it back on our cart. Next is our Deluxe Double Duty Caddy. This one is similar to the Double Duty, just longer. It's got the Velcro pocket in the front that's really long. I keep here some of our readers, so learning how to read in Spanish, a chapter book I'm reading to them, so books that we're reading, artwork projects or journals, my clipboard with stuff I might need to use. There's mesh pockets again, and then the back has these big open pockets for some of our bigger supplies like flashcards or math games. And I like how I have my own to keep things that I need to be able to reach. Here I use also some of these tins I got from IKEA for some of our markers that they need more handy. I love these slim pouches. They're called the Get Creative Slim Pouches. If you get a set of 2, you actually save money. We keep these ready for when we do homeschool out of the house, but what I like with these too is, let's say they want to work in their room for a little bit, they can, or in a different spot in the house or in the backyard, they can take these and whatever workbook they're working on, and it's easy to put it back. So here's another one. We use mason jars for some of our pencils and things that we have ready on the table. If you want a solution set that stays on the table, this is what we actually keep on the table. So here you can see it fits mason jars, it fits these planters I got at IKEA. And what's really nice with these is it's easy to access for the kids when we're working together on the table, and you can see how big it is. It's pretty wide. And then when we have people over and we're going to have a nicer meal at the table, we just take off the tins and buckets, and then we put candles or whatever seasonal decoration we might have and change the look of the table for when we're ready to eat. So this is called the Close to Home Decor Box. And then my favorite wood product is the Close to Home Caddy. They both have these iron handles, and the Caddy has 3 spots. I've got like erasable pens, my brush pens, and regular pens in the 3 different sections. This is more for me and my journaling. I just wanted to show you as a different option if you want something a little more decorative for your supplies. So those are the 3 things we use. A little up close look from the top of how much fits in each one. Easy to put away, easy to find your things. And then here is a cart. So we got this cart from IKEA. I know Michael's has them sometimes, and even on sale. We have one from Michael's too. And then here, these are just actually for their pegboard that IKEA has, and then the kitchen bar system that they have, that's a little trash bin. So eventually these will be put on our pegboard that I need to put on the wall. But here's that Caddy I was showing you where the girls just grab the things they need for the day. And you can see they're another option for the mason jars and the slim pouches is just to store them at the top of the cart for easy access and just put it away when you're done for the day. In the middle, I was able to fit the fold and file on its side, so I can either pull it out when I need to make copies or just leave it in. It keeps my books in nice and orderly. And I think I got this white basket at Target. It has our math manipulatives and the doll hairbrush, a little songbook, and our math manipulatives, little things we need for math lessons, stay on the bottom of the cart in the basket. So that makes it really easy to move from a different room if I need to store this away for the day. Hope that was helpful.